So you may have seen our latest video on smart home technology where I posed the question, how smart is your home? Ultimately, it came down to this idea that smart devices are being used to detect potential problems before they result in significant damage. Well, since creating that video, I have to say, I am much more intrigued by this idea of incorporating smart home devices into my home because it happened to me. A little over a year ago, my husband and I woke up to nearly a foot of water in our basement. We had just refinished our basement in February, and come March, everything was floating in water. On that day, it felt like we lost everything. Okay, I'm being a little dramatic here, but furniture, our pictures, the kids' toys, everything was damaged. We even had to replace our washer and dryer, our hot water tank, and our sump pump. Let's just say it was a mess, and I quickly learned that it was a mess that could have been prevented. So today, I'm expecting a special package from one of our insurance carriers, State Auto. State Auto recently partnered with Roost, which is a smart home device company, and they are offering smart sensor kits to help us protect our homes better. And in addition to these smart sensor kits, they're also offering smart home discounts for any policy owner that incorporates smart home devices to better protect their homes. It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's go see if it arrived in the mail. It's here. I am really excited about what's inside this box. So we're gonna do a little unboxing to find out. This is the smart Wi-Fi water leak and freeze detector. It's designed to sense water leaks and frozen pipes and is set up to send alerts directly to my smartphone. So I could put this beneath the kitchen sink, behind the toilets, next to my sump pump, underneath my washer and dryer, or next to any pipes that could potentially freeze, and this can save the day. This is the smart 9-volt Wi-Fi battery that goes directly into the smoke detector. We've all heard the nighttime chirping of a dying smoke detector battery, and this thing does not chirp. But more importantly, it's going to notify your phone when your smoke detector detects smoke in your home. So if it's just you burning toast or something in the oven, you can turn that notification off. But if you happen to be on vacation or away from the home and something tragic is happening in your household, your smoke detector goes off and you'll be notified and can react accordingly. So both products here, the smart Wi-Fi water leak and freeze detector and the smart 9-volt battery, could be considered lifesavers. Ultimately, what it comes down to is this. There are a number of smart home devices out there that can protect your home if used the right way. My name is Danny Kimball. I work at the O'Neill Group, and we are an insurance and risk management firm here in Northeast Ohio. And while we offer all types of insurance you could possibly need, we also go beyond insurance to make sure that your homes and your families are safe and protected. If you'd like to learn more, our contact information will be in the description below.